30 days? Are you insane?
Dead serious. I'm tired of just talking about starting a business. Let's actually do it.
Marcus, we both have full-time jobs. How are we supposed to launch a profitable business in a month?
That's what makes it exciting. Look, I've been doing research. We both know programming. We both understand business problems. Why not build a simple SaaS product?
Simple? There's nothing simple about...
Hear me out. Remember last week when you were complaining about how hard it is to track your freelance projects? Other people have that same problem.
Go on.
Day one starts tomorrow. We spend 3 days interviewing freelancers about their pain points, 3 days designing a solution, 7 days building an MVP. The rest of the month, marketing and getting our first paying customers.
That's actually not completely crazy. But what if we fail?
Then we fail fast and learn something. Come on, what do you say, partners?
Partners, but we need ground rules.
Shoot.
First, we work on this 2 hours every evening and whatever time we can spare on weekends. Second, we set a budget, say $500 each. Third, we split everything 50-50.
Done, done, and done. Send me your Calendly link. Let's book our working sessions for the whole month. Okay, hit me with the interview results.
You were right. Every single freelancer I talked to complained about the same things. Project tracking is a mess. They're using spreadsheets, notes apps, and random tools cobbled together.
Same here. And get this, they all said they'd pay for something that solved their problems. One guy told me he'd give his right arm for a tool that could track time, tasks, and invoices in one place.
What if we built exactly that? Something dead simple, no bloat, just the core features freelancers need.
We could call it freelance?
That's terrible. How about solo?
Solo, I like it. Clean, simple, like our product will be.
The back end is a mess. We'll never get this done in time.
Show me.
Look at this spaghetti code. We tried to do too much. Time tracking, invoicing, project management. It's too ambitious for 30 days.
What if we stripped it down? Launch with just project tracking and time management. Add invoicing later?
That could work. We'd need to rebuild some components, but
we could finish it in time. Sometimes less is more, right?
okay, let's do it. But we're pulling an all-nighter.
I'll grab some coffee.
It works. Marcus, it actually works. I just tracked my time on a project, and the data saved perfectly.
Send me the link. Let me try. Holy shit, we built something that actually works.
It works. Marcus, it actually works. I just tracked my time on a project, and the data saved perfectly.
Send me the link. Let me try. Holy shit, we built something that actually works.
Now comes the hard part. Finding people who'll pay for it.
0 signups. We've been running ads for 5 days. Nothing. 0 signups. We've been running ads for 5 days. Nothing.
The landing page copy isn't working. We need to...
Wait, we're doing this backward. Remember those freelancers we interviewed? Let's go back to them.
You want to sell to them directly?
Why not? They already told us they need this. Let's give them a demo.
$50 a month.
Someone actually paid us $50 a month.
$50 a month. Someone actually paid us $50 a month.
Not just someone. 3 someones. All from our initial interviews. And they're already asking about features we could add.
Think we'll hit our goal? Profitable in 30 days?
3 customers at $50 each? We're still in the red, but
But we have proof people will pay for this. And our costs are just hosting and ads. Holy, is this real? Holy, is this real?
the Startup Accelerator? Yeah, it's real. They saw our launch on Product Hunt, looked at our metrics, and want us to apply.
But we only have 12 paying customers. We're barely breaking even.
That's just it. We got 12 paying customers in 30 days, with a real product that solves a real problem. They think we can scale this.
So what happens after day 30?
That's up to you, partner. We could keep our jobs, work on this nights and weekends, or
Or we could go all in, build this into something bigger.
what do you say? Ready for another challenge?
You know what? I am. But this time, let's give ourselves more than 30 days.
Deal. Though I have to say, we did pretty well with 30. We launched a product, got paying customers, and
And learned more than we would have in a year of just talking about it. Okay. Send me the accelerator application. Let's do this right.
already in your inbox. And Sarah?
Yeah?
Thanks for taking the crazy challenge with me.
Thanks for pushing me to do it. Now, should we tell the accelerator about our 30-day story, or will that make us sound insane?
Are you kidding? That's our hook. 2 developers, 30 days, 12 customers, and a product people actually need. That's not insane. That's entrepreneurship.